Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Cedar Springs, Ontario, a small community located within the municipality of Chatham-Kent. Cedar Springs has a rich history that reflects the broader development of the Chatham-Kent area. The community has been home to various families and individuals who have contributed to its growth and character over the years. For those interested in exploring the local history further, the Chatham-Kent Public Library offers a digital collection of local history and genealogy resources. While Cedar Springs itself is a quiet and peaceful place, its location within Chatham-Kent provides residents and visitors with access to a variety of attractions and activities. Nearby, you can explore Rondo Provincial Park, one of Ontario's oldest provincial parks, known for its beautiful trails, diverse wildlife, and picturesque beaches. Additionally, the town of Blenheim is just a short drive away, offering charming shops, restaurants, and community events. In summary, Cedar Springs is a small but historically rich community that offers a tranquil lifestyle, while being conveniently close to various attractions and amenities within the Chatham-Kent region.
Thanks for watching!